Hi there. Guess what today is? Today is Stitch Fix unboxing. I'm so excited about this. I have to tell you that my subscription addiction started with Stitch Fix. I started doing Stitch Fix a few months ago, and I was so incredibly lucky with them. They would send 5 clothing items, and every single time I kept the entire box, and I was thrilled. The month of December, I got my box, and I sent 2 things back. And I was so sad. I felt like crying because I just felt like every single month I was getting a box full of styles that I loved. So I will tell you also that this month I actually requested some things of my stylist, saying these are items that I would like to have that I'm missing from my closet. So I want to see if they're in this box. I think I requested a pencil skirt, a utility jacket, and a camel car coat. So we'll see if any of those things are there, and I can't wait to get into this box. As always with Stitch Fix, we have our return envelope. If I decide to return anything, it's free postage. So, and a note from your stylist, and there's also styling cards to show you the prices. Not going to read the prices, but they're styling cards. They give you ideas of how to wear the different pieces that they've sent. So I'll take a look at that as well. And I think it's a really cool touch about Stitch Fix. My husband calls this the burrito. You can look at the burrito with me. Oh, there's color in there. I see color. Every single month I request color, color, color. And there's also something that kind of looks green. Maybe that's a utility jacket. Let's see. Let me tear this open. All wrapped up. Oh, I forgot. I requested white jeans. I was hoping to try some white jeans as well. So I see something that looks like a white denim. And let's see. First off, we have a floral. These are these in style? Lots and lots and lots of florals. These, this better, oh, it's got a little teeny peplum on it and a keyhole back. That's gonna be fun to try on. Let's see, I like this color. I don't know what this is, but the blue color, this is Danielle Rain, and looks a little boho. I don't know, with a sheer sleeve. Can you see me? So that's interesting. I can feel that it's lined, which will be nice. But I like this color. So hopefully that works out. And ta-da! Utility jacket! I need one of these, so I hope this works. This is a Hawthorne, 41 Hawthorne, and I'm excited to try that on. And pencil skirt. Oh, I am so happy. They listened to me. They actually read what I had requested. Okay, there's a little bit of white in this pencil skirt. I don't know about that. There's also some dog hair on it. So I'm guessing someone else tried this, and then they sent it to me. So we'll see about that. Okay, the white jeans are by Lila Ryan. Looked like, yeah, there's some distressing in there, and they look like a skinny rather than a straight leg. So we'll try this all on for you, and let's see. 5 for 5. Keep your fingers crossed. 5 for 5. Okay, I am back with my puppies, and this is the Kaylee Medina skirt in black, the pencil skirt that I requested, and I think she did a good job. We'll have to see what the price is because I am not wowed by this skirt. There's a small slit in the back, but it's very comfortable. This white stripe is the thing that I'm not sure about, but I could see myself pairing this with even a white tank or a white t-shirt in the summer with sandals. I think my mind, a pencil skirt was going to be a higher waist, more structured, wear some pumps. I was gonna look powerful in it. So this isn't exactly the feel that I was expecting. I didn't portray any of those things in my style quiz, so she has no idea. Now this top is from Collective Concepts. It's got what they call a Kim Gigi neckline, and you know, I don't know what that's called, but to me it's almost like a built-in choker. I know that's kind of big right now. I don't know if I like it. I will tell you that I went down in my blouse sizes with Stitch Fix because this is a small and the mediums were just so big and flowy. So I like the fit of this much, much better. I'm not a big ruffle girl, and we've got ruffles on the sleeves here, and this is more of a ruffle than a peplum, so it's darling, but I'm not a darling girl. They call this black too, which obviously it is. It matches the skirt. I would probably never wear this get up together, but if I named clothing, I would call this like flower garden. I don't know. It looks pretty busy, and I just don't know if I'm crazy about this. This is the 41 Hawthorne Chapin Essentials lined and hooded anorak jacket. I don't think I would ever wear the hood, but that's okay because it zips right off. I don't know if you can see that orange zipper in there. So I like that. It's nice to have the option to wear the hood if I like. So this is exactly what I was looking for. There is this drawstring waist, and that's a little high, but I also feel like it kind of gives it a feminine touch. It does have snaps. It snaps up, and there's a zip to it as well. So you'll see this cute lining on the inside too. Again, I think that just makes it so feminine looking. Looks a little bit like a camp jacket, and on the other hand, it's a camp jacket for someone that doesn't know how to make a campfire, so I like this a lot. This is a bell sleeve blouse. I don't think so. It's got a gather at the wrist here, and that's a little bit big for me, but I like it. My husband likes this one. Like I said, I was attracted immediately to the color. There is a little peephole there and a button closure. I wonder what it looks like if I was to undo the button. Let's see. But I do like this blouse, and again, this is a size small, and I like that I size down with Stitch Fix. I think their clothing runs a little bit large, except for their white skinny jeans that I'm wearing. These, okay, I can't get this undone, so I guess it doesn't matter. So I'm going to show you the skinny jeans, although I'm not crazy about them. I did not request skinny jeans. I like boot cut, I like straight leg, but I don't know about the skinny jeans. I feel like every bump and bulge is showing. So with humility, I show you the jeans, and this is the back. I wish the fabric was a little bit thicker because I feel like I'm wearing white leggings, and I wouldn't normally wear white leggings. The distress that's done is almost equidistant in the knees, and I like it when it's not symmetrical. Although I guess, well, it's not quite my knees, but so let me know what you think. The jeans fit. I just think I need maybe a thicker fabric in them because, boy, they show everything. Nothing to the imagination, and that would be great if I was doing CrossFit or something, but I'm not. So let's sum this up. There's a lot of good selections this time, but I've got a lot to think about. I've got the prices here. Angelica styled me again. She's been my stylist since day one, so I think she's getting to know me a little bit better. I'm going to keep this blouse. I like it, my husband likes it, and so I decided I better break it in. And let me tell you, the distressed skinny jeans are $98, and I'm not going to pay $98 for a jean that just doesn't fit me. I'm not comfortable in that jean, and I do have white jeans with a little bit thicker fabric, so I like that style though. I like that distressed look, and I don't want that same brand. I want something a little bit thicker, maybe even in a straight leg, so I'm going to ask about that. This top that I'm wearing is $68, the Daniel Rain top. The 41 Hawthorne anorak jacket is $94. And the Kaylee Medina skirt is only $34. I don't know about that one because it didn't wow me, but $34 is a great price. And then the Rose Garden, that I like to call it, the Collective Concepts top with all the roses, the black with the roses and ruffles, is $54. The subtotal of this entire box is $348. If I bought everything, I would get an $87 discount plus my $20 styling fee. The total is $241. I think that's an awesome price. The next thing I'll do is I will go to my Stitch Fix account and I'll give feedback on each and every item, let them know whether I'm keeping them or not. I'll place everything that I'm not keeping in the envelope with the prepaid shipping. I'll let them know what I'm sending back. They also have an option to change sizes. I can exchange for a different size. So that's something to think about where those jeans are concerned, because I don't even think if I get a bigger size it's going to work because of the weight of the fabric. But they do have that option there, and I kind of like that. I'm also thinking that anorak jacket might be better in a bigger size. I was wearing this top, which is a lightweight top underneath, but if I wanted to pair that with a chunky sweater, that might be a little snug. I believe that jacket is either, I think it's a size small. Let me check. Jacket. Oh, it's a medium, but maybe I need a large in that. I might be a little bit more comfortable if that was in a large. So I have a lot to think about. I'll get another Stitch Fix next month. I was hoping to get all new stuff, not this stuff all over again. So, I appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for helping me to make these decisions. They're silly decisions, but they're fun decisions too. So this has been a lot of fun. It's always fun to do this with you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please hit subscribe so you won't miss any of these videos that I do. I love spending time with you. Thank you so much. God bless you.